Welcome to SPERONI. Located a few kilometers south of Milano, in the heart of the Italian manufacturing region, with an area of approximately 20,000 square meters, our company designs and manufactures exceptionally reliable and unparalleled quality products. SPERONI is an Italian family business that has supplied products and services for over 50 years. Since 1963, our company has been the international benchmark for innovation, precision, longevity, and value within the field of tool measurement, tool presetting, and tool management. In order to guarantee the utmost quality of our products, at SPERONI, we rigorously inspect 100% of our manufacturing. Just like a high-tech tailoring business, our company meticulously attends each product in order to fulfill the needs of every single customer. Our products STP Magis, STP Futura, and Intelligo, always copied but never equaled, are known worldwide for their cutting-edge performance and aesthetics. The new line STP Futura won the 2014 International Red Dot Award for its design. To guarantee the ideal solution to all our customers, SPERONI's continuous innovation has brought us to create over 500 different product configurations, all tailor-made. With over 8,000 installations in more than 45 countries worldwide, SPERONI is experience, tradition, and at the same time, the future for a guarantee of lower costs and higher productivity. SPERONI, since 1963. Future-proof technology.